Hola, buongiorno. How are you all? I hope you're well. Okay, listen, really sorry this morning. I had some technical issues and I couldn't get online and all sorts of bullshit. So anyway, I'm here now, and so yeah, we listen. Quite, it's real simple. Yeah, so we're all still long from in here, and we're looking for this 886 up here, um, or the red box here. So this is no longer this is not a 1 2. This is three waves down. um I'm not quite sure how to count this, but what I do know is that we have five here, and that's an ABC. So at the very minimum, I'm looking for this and then up, or we are getting a larger correction here. So today, Monday, no news day. Obviously we've got some non-US news, but ultimately there's little or no news today. And and looking how the market is playing around, you know, we had a nice short from up here at 65. It was a hedge, but that was from Sunday. It was all day from Sunday, and so not a lot else to say really. Going down onto the 6 minute. Get out my way. That is here. We've got a nice little five wavy 1 2. That's 3 4. So we've got a long in here somewhere. Sorry, these are all boxes that I did earlier this morning, like at 5:30 before my system went bang. So yeah, so this is what we have. Is we have probably a long from in here somewhere. Maybe comes to the daily open. May already be that fourth wave. May do this. This wave 2 was pretty sharp and ferocious, so this might take all day, or this might take the beginning part of the New York session. So I'm probably gonna add to a long here, or if I don't get it, I'll just look to take profits to the 886 and look for three waves down. So let me just move this little box de rouge here up into there. And so that's what we're looking at, guys. We're looking at we're looking at 1 2. This is all 3, either 4 5, and we get another 4 5, or let me just show you that here. So this could be 1 2 3 4 5. So it's there. So there's my 1, tiny 2, and then this is all 3. That's 4. That's 5 of the third. And then what we do is New York comes down a bit more and then goes up again, and then we get a move down, which may be, we may get 3 or we may get 5. So scalpy day today, guys. I wouldn't be looking to hang on to anything unless, of course, you're still long from the below, like we were on Friday. No 55,000 today, no 54,000. We're probably going to come up and take out these at some point. We make sure. Interestingly enough, I put this little channel on here, and if we overlay our main idea, that's what we're looking for. Obviously, let's continue to stretch things and see if we're going to finally get finally get our wave structure here. In a minute, this is going to get a little bit too long, and I'm gonna want to start to recount this. So we'll see. Sorry, it's a little bit messy. Messi, who wasn't very good last night, was he, Mr. Messi? Yeah. So let's not forget that we're looking at this, and I did say the other day we could still absolutely do this, and it's one of those. Okay. So, and I did say that August we're probably going to stay in this choppy chop range. So, not down here. Don't think so. I think we probably chop. Maybe come to the bottom of this little channel. So pop, drop, up, drop, and then at some point it'll do that, and that's when we get this. Okay. All right. So let's see if we get a little scalp long from in here. Invalidation would be here at 64,240. And it would mean that all we've got is we have a 3 down and we got a 3 up, and then we'll be looking for 5 down. And we're gonna, for some reason, we're gonna hold this high. We're gonna hold the high, which is quite possible. Otherwise, let's look for the 886 as a nice short, which is sitting up here. That's better. All right. Okay, guys, that's it. Short, sharp. Sorry I wasn't around this morning. I hope you all did well, and I hope you had a nice weekend. Blah, 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 blah. I shall speak to you later on. Lots of love. Taddy byes.